2019 Chevy Camaro V6 convertible. What we did on it was left the stock catalytic converters right there and right there, somewhere in there. Then it's got two factory catalytic converters in the back, right there. Then we put a True Flow X pipe right there, extra custom, and True Dual it all the way back to black tips, 4x18s. Right there to complete the look. There's the X pipe right there. You always want to put an X pipe on them. It equalizes the pressure, gives it that really nice tone without any exhaust scavenge. It comes out really clean and nice too. Hope you guys like it. 2019 Chevy Camaro. This is what came off of it. We took the muffler off and the resonator. That's what was on it. You guys saw the after. Nice convertible black top, matches the tips. This completes the look of it. Absolutely beautiful car. 2012 Chevy Camaro V6. Still got the factory converters. This one comes with 4, 2 on each side. Then it's got a factory H pipe. Then it's got factory resonators, the little baby ones. And then we put on it FLOWMASTER Outlaws, Super 10s, race mufflers. One on this side and one on this side. We'll let you guys, if you guys want those mufflers, you can look in the link below to get them. Right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute.
I guess.
Sounds good.
Why don't it really sound like anything?
All the same little blocks, I be slipping back. How you fucking
2011 Camaro V6. What we got done on it for you guys today. It's still got the stock converters there and there. Then it's got a factory H pipe. Then we put FLOWMASTER FX by FLOWMASTER. Flow FX by FLOWMASTER. If you want them, the link is in the description. Then it's got, we did also a muffler delete on this side and this side. And then completed it with 4-inch tips. Right there and right there. That's what it looks like now. There's the FLOWMASTER FX series that we took off, that we put on instead of the mufflers. There's the rear two mufflers and the mid mufflers or resonators that we cut off. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. Tell us what you guys think in the comments of the sound. '16 Chevy Camaro V6. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it got secondary converters right there. Then we put in an X pipe, MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS, and he had it straight piped out the back somewhere else. All right there and right there. There's his original tips. You want those MAGNAPACKS, you'll see the link in the description below on how to get them. There it is right there. Let you guys hear it in a second. Sounds a lot nicer and deeper than before. MAGNAFLOW gives it a really nice deep tone. 2017 Chevy Camaro RS. Still got the factory converters up there. Then it's got secondary converters right here. Then a factory or aftermarket X pipe installed somewhere else. And then we just installed these BORLA ATAKS on this side And this side with the dual outlets. 4-inch tips, BORLA ATAKS. If you guys want to purchase those, you can see in the link in the description. I think it's going to sound good. It's an RS Chevy Camaro. Came out really nice. I like how it's nice and tucked. Let you guys hear in a minute. BORLA ATAKS. This is the after. Let you guys hear on the inside. Sounds like on idle.